Morning. Welcome back to the homestead. So this is going to be part 2 of our growing pinto beans series here. Have to apologize, I forgot to film when I put in the trellis the last time and put in the second row of beans, but I'll show you where we're at and what we're going to do at this point. Okay, so here you can see the trellis. There's 4 T-posts in the ground, and we ran a wire across the top and a wire across the bottom. Okay, and then this is some jute twine that is tied off there, and then we will go down, we looped around, come back up, looped around, back over on itself so that it helps to bind a little bit, and back down, and then we zigzagged up and down, all the way down the trellis. That gives something then for the beans to grab onto and start to grow up the string. All right, let's take a look at the plants. So in the last video, we were putting the bean seeds down for this first row, and that's these guys here now. You can see how big that they've gotten. We put in the second row, and they're about that large now. We did that row about 3 weeks or so, 4 weeks maybe, after we put in the first row. And then about 3 weeks or so back, I side dressed, hey kitty. I side dressed along here with some fertilizer once they got to about the size that those are. So now that the second row has gotten to that size, we are going to side dress that one now to help give it the boost that it needs to get up to the next level here and start climbing up the trellis as well. So let's do that. So to do my side dressing, I'm going to come off the side of those pinto beans, the second row, just about 3 or 4 inches or so, and dig a little furrow. And I did get a new furrowing tool, and this makes it a lot easier. So we'll just come off of the side edge there, dig a little furrow, throw some fertilizer down in that furrow, and then we'll cover that back up and water it, and that's really all there is to it. So I guess when you're side dressing, really kind of the main thing that I'm thinking about as far as how far to come off of the plant there. I want it close enough that the fertilizer can actually get there and do the job, but I want to be far enough away that the fertilizer is not going to burn the plant, and I also don't want to disturb the roots of the plant when I'm digging that furrow. That's generally my idea. The other thing we should do while we're out here working on these rows is look for any kind of diseased leaves. Any signs of trouble with the plants, and see if we can address that while we're here. So let's take a look. So right here I can see a leaf down there that looks like it has a little bit of trouble going on, so we'll just pull that off of there. That one's, I think we'll leave that one. It looks like it's gonna be okay. There's a little rust or something on this. We want to get these things off of here so that it doesn't spread throughout the plant. and cause trouble for the rest of the plant. That's some dirt. Now that dirt, that soil being on the leaf could lead to having problems, but we'll see. So we'll come back with another video when all of the beans are really climbing up the trellis and maybe even putting out some beans. So anyways, I thank you for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, any tips, advice for me, anything like that, let me know down in the comments below. Bye-bye now. Whew, that's quite the view, isn't it? See you later.